Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. This is the Dollar Tree train run by Miss Jackie Russell, and this one is the back to school train. And I'm going to tell you who's in this collab. Now, sometimes people, can't always make it, but this is who we expect to be in this train. There's 14 channels. So this runs through August 11th, which is a Sunday. And I will end my giveaway at noon Central Time on August 11. And so this runs for 2 weeks. And you'll have to listen to everybody's video to see when they end theirs, because we all end around the same time. But in a day or two or three, you'll hear who the winners are for each channel. And you have to be publicly subscribed to everybody to all 14 channels in this collab. And you have to comment on every video. So that's a lot of work to do, but it's well worth it if you win a giveaway. So I'm going to show you what's in my haul. And what I usually do is a mystery giveaway, y'all, because there's not enough time to show you that. I want to keep my video as short as possible because you have so many to watch. So I'll do a mystery giveaway, and what I like to do is when I pick the winner is get in touch with you and see what you like. And some of these items might be in the giveaway, but I usually do some beauty and things like that in my boxes as well. So I'm going to start off with this because I thought this was the coolest. This. I got 2 of these so I can show you. One will be the one that's in the best shape. I'm going to send, this will be in your package, okay? And let me show you, I got one for myself, so let me show you what it looks like. This is really cool because this will fit in your 3-ring binder if you needed to, or you could just hang this up on the refrigerator or on your wall. And it is it says 2024 to 2025. It's a monthly page format. It starts with August, which is fantastic. And then it ends, it goes, I thought it was going to be a school year, which is August through the end of the year and then all of next year, but it only goes through July of next year. So we'll look for these next year again and get another. So what you do is you use this calendar and then you tear it off as the months pass. So you can keep all your information on here. I thought it was really cute, and I'm not in school, but I got one for myself because I think it'll come in handy for my videos, to keep track of my videos. So I got one for you as well. And next, also I always forget to mention this, y'all. If you wouldn't mind rating our videos, you're not comparing all 14 channels. You're just letting me know if you like what I hauled. So 10 would be if you like it the most, 1 if you don't like it at all. Now, when I say that, it's me, and I'm a senior citizen. So, I'm 62 years old. So I don't need school supplies, but I do like school supplies. I like things that I can use, such as this. I thought this was so cute. It's a composition book. It says, "You're doing great." And it says it on the back as well. What a nice thing for a child to see, especially if they're not feeling really good at school, or maybe they feel like, whatever, it's not going best for them that day. They can take this out, and you can keep a journal in here. You can keep all kinds of notes in here, and they can see that their mom is saying you're doing great, or their dad can send this with them to school. You're doing great. And hey, we all need encouragement, not just kids. So I thought that was really nice. And my Dollar Tree at this point only has $1.25 items, except I shopped 2 different times to get these items. And when I went back in the second time, they had some backpacks and some lunch boxes that were super, super nice, and there was a $5 sign. So I did ask at the register. I have a very small Dollar Tree. She said that's the only $5 items that they have. And if they do have other priced items, it will be clearly marked. That's what I was concerned about, because I'm like, all right, I picked this up. How much is this? But everything else in the store is $1.25. So next I have this. I thought this was really cool. And I'm in Alabama, so these are the University of Alabama colors, the houndstooth with red, black, and white. And this is a phone stand. So it shows you on the back how you set it up. I have one. a different color, but it's just, it folds nicely, and you open it up, your phone sets on there, and it stands for you to watch it. So that was very nice, I thought. And I also got this for the binder, and this, again, I don't have a binder, but I do like cute things, and I thought this was just so cute. See, you can press the holes for the binder, and they had this in different colors and different prints. I like the smiley faces. I thought they were just bright and cheery. That's why I got it. And it has this nice sort of Ziploc zipper going on, and you can put all kinds of things in here. You can put your cosmetics in here and carry that with you in your bag. It's a nice size pencil case, and you can just put anything in here. You can put, you can take this on a picnic and put some wet washcloths in here, you know, to wash your hands after you eat. I mean, so many things you can do with this because it's plastic, and then it seals like a Ziploc bag, but this zipper helps you to do it, so you don't have to fuss with it. So I like that. I thought that was really cool. And then I got this, again, something that anybody can use. It's called a tech case. And they had many different colors. They have them for boys, they have them for girls, you know. So I got this one because I thought it was just very pretty. And it has a zipper that goes all the way around. And when you open it, it has a nice soft, not quite velvet, but so it won't scratch up your earbuds, your plug, you know, your USB port, that kind of thing. And it has a little pocket over here too, so you can keep something secure, and then you can carry your electronics in here. So I thought that was super cute. And like I said, they have many different colors or prints to choose from. And then I got snacks because, you know, like I said, I don't really need school supplies. So I am a snacker, and I love to take things with me to work to have at my desk in case. So I did open things up because some of them are hard to open. These are one of my favorite things. Doesn't everybody love these? These are the toast, it says Toast Chi, Lance brand. This is the cheese cracker with the peanut butter inside. So what I really like about these, this is $1.25, y'all, and there's 6 packs in here. I really like this because there's only 4 crackers in the 4 sandwiches in there. Some of the other packs have 6, which when I'm eating these in the afternoon as a snack, you know, I get through 3 or 4 of them and I've had enough. I don't need all 6. So this is perfect size for me. And then they have this Lance brand has this in the cookie with the peanut butter inside. You know, they have it with just a cracker with the peanut butter inside, that you don't have to get the cheese, but I like that combination and the salt and the sweet going on there. Really, really good. And I got these just to check them out because I wasn't sure. This is duplex sandwich cream cookies. It says an 18 pack, and this is a nice big box. I wasn't sure what it would hold. It's 10 ounces. It says Sobisk, S-O-B-I-S-K, I think is the brand name. And it was sealed, and I opened it, and this is what it looks like. So I'm like, well, how are these going to be packaged? This is how it is. I believe there's just 2 cookies in there. We will check it out. So this, again, perfect for an afternoon snack. Oh, don't do that with your teeth, y'all. So this is what I got. In one package, there's 2 of each cookie, that combo cookie, which that's a nice snack for the afternoon, and to put in, you know, put in the kids' lunch pack and stuff like that. So I thought that was really nice. And then I got this, and y'all, this is perfect, and even for me, this is milk that is shelf stable, they call it. This is, excuse me, Prairie Farms brand, farmer owned, 1% low fat chocolate milk. It's real milk, and it has 8 grams of protein. So it's chocolate milk, and they did have regular milk also, but who doesn't want chocolate milk? So this comes with everything you need. It has the straw on the back, and then you pop it, you know, you put this in the fridge, get it nice and cold, and pop it in there, and then you've got your half a pint. So that's 8 ounces of chocolate milk, which is a great snack after school, for lunch. You can send this in their lunch box. And for me, sometimes I just like chocolate milk, but I don't want to buy a whole, you know, big quart or half gallon. I just want to have a taste of it. So perfect for me. I can leave this in my cabinet and put one in the fridge at a time. So I'm excited about that. And then one of my very favorite things are Snyder's pretzels. I love pretzels, and Snyder's of Hanover, they make the best, the crunchiest pretzels. I love them. And this has 6 packs in it. And these, I get these sometimes at Halloween too, to hand out. They have bigger bags usually at the Dollar Tree, and you can give these as Halloween treats. So they're mini pretzels. They're just a little, you know, famous shape of pretzel. And then it's just enough for a little snack. It's half an ounce. It has 60 calories. So one bag is 1 serving. So, and then the last snack that I got are these fruit roll-ups. I'm looking for the brand. I think that is the brand name. These are General Mills. So this is name brand. And I love fruit roll-ups, you know, like fruit leather. So what's in here are 3 packages. And then this is that fruit leather. It's a great snack, and sweet. It's got sweetness to it, yet it's not terribly unhealthy. So good snack for me, good snack for the kids. So that's what I got from the Dollar Tree. What do y'all think? Is there anything in particular that you like better than others? And then now for the giveaway, like I said, all my rules are below. YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. You should be 18 years or older to enter this giveaway. You should be subscribed to all 14 channels involved in this collab and comment on all 14 channels. And please, if you're new to that channel, we have a lot of trouble. YouTube knocks people off all the time. They've been knocking comments off. So it really would behoove you to watch the whole video and then make your comment. And since you're going to do that, you might as well enter all the giveaways. 14 chances to win, y'all. That is pretty exciting. So I'm going to say in my, what I'd like you to say if you want to enter this is cheese, C-H-E-E-S-E. That'll be my word. Hopefully you will enjoy this collab. I think it was a lot of fun to find these things, and especially for someone like me that does not have children. I still found some great school items, I think, and great for the whole family to use. And thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings, everybody. And go watch the other channels. Like I said, there'll be a playlist below. Well, I'll put that in our description so you can find it easy, okay? And just make sure that your comment is on the correct video where you comment. And don't just say the word that people, if somebody has a secret word, so to speak, don't just say that word. You want to say a sentence to be polite so that other people have to watch the video to know what's going on and to enter the giveaways. You want it to be fair for everybody, okay? Count your blessings, everybody. Good to see you. Bye-bye.